Google has introduced a new policy, which is the Android Developer Verification Policy. What is it and what does it mean for your account? I will explain that briefly in this video. Until now, all apps existed solely by the package names. If I build an app com.webmutual.ejumera, the app solely exists on Play Store by its package name, and that is how the apps are identified. Though these apps were distributed through a developer account, when an app is being installed on a device, Google had no idea which, the device had no idea which developer built that app. And the disadvantage or the risk here was that you do have, I would say, some scammers or some developers who were not genuine, who seek to introduce apps that were harmful to our devices, and they were able to even go through some developer. There are some developers who take apps on behalf of other developers and then publish them on the Play Store. Now we know that the app is coming from this particular account, but we didn't know which developer was directly behind the app. And that is what this new policy seeks to address. You might have received a notification asking you to register your apps by September 30, 2026. What should you do about this? Now, don't be frightened so much, because Google says that 99% of the apps on the Play Store have already been verified. Go to Android Developer Verification. This is a new tab on your menu, and just select it. Okay, you can just select it or just go to Android Developer Verification, and notice that all my apps have already been registered, with the exception of the one which is still, I think it's a draft or so. They have all been, though most of these apps are no longer active, but you can see that they have already been registered without me having to do anything. What this means is that if an app is being installed on a device, whether through the Play Store or even through another app store, what most of you may not know is that you can download and install an Android app legally, not only on the Play Store, but the other several app stores in other countries that partners with Google to do that. We have Oppo, I think Honor, and a whole lot. Even Samsung Galaxy, Galaxy Store and another allows you to do that. So just check and you realize that your packages have been registered. So now it is tied to you. It is tied to you. If another developer who is not genuine tries to distribute their app to the Play Store through your account, the app will come as the app will have to be registered. Once you go ahead and register that app as your app, it is tied to you. And so if Google discovers that you distributed a harmful app, knowingly or unknowingly, you violated their policy, then it goes against your account. If your app has not been registered, once you're on the Android developer verification, you can just go to register package name, enter your package name, then you can give it a user-friendly name and go to next. All right, it's telling me this has already been registered. Let me try a different name. I'll call this, and there you go. So you can go ahead and then add a key. But in most cases, once you upload your app, then it just once you have your app created here, then it will just use the key and then register for you. One thing you have to know is that there's no way you can have two apps on the Play Store that have the same package name. And so registering your package name will go ahead to kind of like make you the owner of that package name, just like the way you can register your domain and then all that. You can always check your developer account over here, all right, or even under identity, you can check your developer account over here. And then once you do that, you can know the state of your account. So go ahead, check, make sure that you always stay safe on. You stay safe and comply with Google Play Console. Like, subscribe. See you in another video.